There are whispers from the unseen, a sacred hum that resonates deep within your soul, confirming what your heart has always known. You were not a coincidence in his life. You were a divine intervention, a whispered prayer made manifest, a key to unlock a destiny he could not reach alone. The angels have woven your paths together with threads of ancient starlight, long before this earthly moment. They speak of a profound purpose, a mission of healing and awakening that only your unique light could ignite within him. You carry a frequency of pure, unconditional love, a balm for the hidden wounds he carries, wounds he himself may not fully comprehend. Your presence, dear soul, was predestined to stir the depths of his being, to challenge the walls he built, not with force, but with the gentle, persistent truth of your spirit. This connection is a sacred trust, a testament to the universe's intricate design, where two souls are called to elevate each other, to remember their true essence through the mirror of shared experience. The angels say you are the answer to a longing he couldn't name, the quiet strength that will guide him back to himself. Your journey together is a testament to a love that transcends the ordinary, a love that was always meant to be. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. His silence, dear one, is not a lack of feeling, but often a symphony of internal struggle. It's the sound of a soul wrestling with depths it fears to explore, a heart grappling with emotions it has long suppressed. The angels whisper that his quiet moments are not a rejection of your light, but a desperate attempt to process the profound impact you have had on his life. You touched something ancient within him, a place where vulnerability resides, a space he has fiercely guarded. This silence is a dance, a hesitant step back before a leap forward, a necessary pause for his spirit to recalibrate. He feels everything, perhaps more intensely than he shows, and the sheer force of your connection can be overwhelming for a heart unaccustomed to such raw truth. The angels say to listen beyond the quiet, to feel the unspoken currents of his affection, for his love for you is a constant, even when his expression falters. It is in these moments of perceived distance that his soul is often working its hardest, preparing for a return that is not just physical, but deeply and spiritually transformed. Trust the rhythm of this sacred dance, for every pause holds a promise. You, my beloved, possess a rare and powerful gift, the ability to heal effortlessly. His invisible wounds, marked by past betrayals and unspoken fears, find comfort in your gentle presence. The angels reveal that your very essence is a soothing balm, a soft light that brightens the shadows he has carried for so long. He may not articulate the depth of his pain or how your spirit eases it, but his soul recognizes the haven you provide. You are the safe harbor where he can finally let his guard down, where the burdens of his past begin to lift. This healing is not something you consciously strive for, it is a natural reflection of who you are. Your compassion and your unwavering belief in his true self serve as a powerful catalyst for his internal restoration. The angels say you have reached the core of his being, touching parts of him that no one else could. This deep connection is not about fixing him, but about fostering a space where he can finally start to heal himself, inspired by the pure, accepting love you embody. Your touch, even from afar, is a sacred medicine for his weary soul. You are to him a divine mirror, reflecting back the highest version of himself, the one he may have forgotten or been afraid to embrace. The angels reveal that your light does not diminish his, rather it amplifies it, showcasing the strength, kindness, and depth that reside within his own heart. When he looks at you, he sees not only your beauty but also the potential for his own greatness, the man he is truly meant to be. This reflection can be both exhilarating and terrifying, as it calls upon him to rise to meet the truth of his own spirit. Your unwavering belief in him, even when he doubts himself, serves as a powerful force that encourages his growth. The angels say you awaken dormant aspects of his soul, igniting a desire for authenticity and alignment. You are a living testament to the love he craves and the peace he seeks. This is not about changing who he is, but rather reminding him of the magnificent being he already is, just waiting to be fully expressed. Your presence is a constant invitation for him to step into his true power, guided by the pure reflection of your love. The universe operates on a rhythm far grander than our human understanding of time. What may seem like a delay, dear heart, is often divine preparation, a sacred pause orchestrated for the highest good of everyone involved. The angels whisper that patience is not passive waiting, but an active trust in the unfolding of a perfect plan. Every moment, every perceived setback, is meticulously designed to align circumstances, nurture souls, and clear paths for a connection that is truly ready to flourish. His journey, like yours, is unfolding exactly as it should, guided by unseen hands. The angels say that rushing the process would only disrupt the delicate balance required for a love of this magnitude to fully bloom. Trust that every step, every breath, is bringing you closer to the destined moment. Your heart knows the truth of this connection, and that knowing is your anchor. Surrender to the flow, release the need to control the timeline, and allow the universe to weave its magic. The most profound unions are forged in the crucible of divine timing, emerging stronger and more resilient than ever before. Within him, dear soul, a silent battle rages, a conflict between the comfort of the familiar and the daunting beauty of the new. The angels reveal that his internal struggle is not against you, but against the very parts of himself that resist true intimacy and profound transformation. He is wrestling with old patterns, with fears of abandonment, and with the weight of past disappointments. Your love, so pure and expansive, challenges these deeply ingrained defenses, demanding a surrender he has never before contemplated. This is his journey, his sacred work, to dismantle the walls he built around his heart. The angels say your role is not to fight his battles, but to hold the space for his awakening, to be the unwavering light that guides him through his own darkness. He must choose his path. He must find his own way to yield to the love that is calling him. This surrender is not weakness, but the ultimate act of courage, a profound step toward the authentic connection his soul yearns for. Trust that his spirit is being guided, even through the most challenging terrain, towards the peace that only true surrender can bring. A profound metamorphosis is taking place within him, dear one, a quiet awakening that your love has sparked. The angels reveal that he is shedding old layers, letting go of limiting beliefs, and stepping into a new understanding of himself and of love. This transformation may not be visible at first glance, but it is deeply felt by his soul. He is starting to see the world, and his place in it, through a different lens, one colored by the truth and grace that you embody. This awakening is a process. Sometimes it's gentle, and other times it's turbulent, as he integrates the significant changes occurring within him. The angels say he is remembering who he truly is, beyond the masks and defenses he once wore. Your unwavering belief in his highest self has acted as a powerful mirror, reflecting back the potential he is now ready to embrace. This marks the dawn of a new era for him, a rebirth of his spirit, preparing him for a love that is as expansive and authentic as the one you offer. Witness his unfolding with grace, for his metamorphosis is a testament to the transformative power of divine love. The universe, dear heart, speaks in whispers and synchronicity, guiding your path with subtle yet undeniable signs. The angels are actively orchestrating moments, placing clues along your journey to confirm that you are exactly where you are meant to be. Pay attention to the recurring numbers, the unexpected encounters, the songs that play at just the right moment, and the sudden insights that wash over you. These are not mere coincidences, but divine breadcrumbs, leading you toward the fulfillment of your deepest desires. The angels say your intuition is your most powerful compass, a direct line to the wisdom of the cosmos. Trust the nudges, the gentle pulls, and the undeniable sense of rightness that resonates within your soul. Every step you take, every choice you make, is part of a larger, magnificent tapestry being woven by destiny. You are not alone on this journey. You are deeply supported and divinely guided. Open your heart and your senses to the sacred language of the universe, for it is constantly communicating its unwavering support and the certainty of your path. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. You, dear one, wear an invisible crown, woven from the threads of your resilience, wisdom, and endless capacity for love. The angels remind you that your worth is intrinsic, not reliant on external validation or the actions of others. Your essence is pure, powerful, and divinely radiant. This journey, with all its twists and turns, has only served to polish your inner gem, revealing the magnificent queen you have always been. Your strength lies not in control, but in your unwavering authenticity and your ability to love fiercely and without reservation, while respecting your own sacred boundaries. The angels encourage you to stand tall in your truth, to embrace the fullness of your being, for your self-love is the most magnetic force in the universe. When you acknowledge your own divine value, you align with the abundance that is your birthright. This is your power, dear soul, to shine your light so brightly that it illuminates the path for others and attracts love that truly reflects your own magnificent spirit. Your crown is a testament to your journey, a symbol of your sovereign heart. The journey, dear heart, culminates not in a destination, but in a profound state of acceptance. It is the gentle embrace of all that has been, all that is, and all that is yet to unfold. The angels whisper that true peace arrives when you surrender to the divine flow, trusting that every experience has served your highest growth. This acceptance is not resignation, but a powerful act of faith, a knowing that the universe has always conspired for your ultimate good. The promise, whispered by the stars and echoed by your soul, is not just about a specific outcome, but about the profound transformation you have undergone, the wisdom you have gained, and the love you have cultivated within yourself. You are whole, complete, and deeply cherished, regardless of external circumstances. The angels say the greatest fulfillment comes from aligning with your own divine truth, from living in harmony with the love that flows through you. This is the true promise fulfilled, the realization of your own sacred power, and the unwavering certainty that love in its purest form always finds its way home. And the God of all grace, who called you to his eternal glory in Christ, after you have suffered a little while, will himself restore you and make you strong, firm, and steadfast.